This is the face of a woman whose 10-month-old still does not sleep through the night, which is a topic for another video, and also who just spent 30 minutes filming this exact video in slow motion. So here we are again, running it back, and let's just get into it. It's way too early for this mess, but in today's video I'm going to talk all about my postpartum hair loss journey and how I regrew my hairline. My hairline decided to re-enter the chat. I really struggled with these two corners here, and I don't know if you guys can tell because it's kind of wet right now, but I am starting to grow these little babies back, which I'm very happy about. I'm going to share with you guys what I have been using. Before we get into that, let's talk about hormones, because postpartum hair loss has a lot to do, if not everything, to do with hormones. During pregnancy and postpartum, your hormones are rapidly changing. They're adjusting to all the changes that are happening in your body, and especially after you give birth, your hormones take a huge dip, and that is when a lot of women start to experience the hair loss, especially around the hairlines. And granted, mine wasn't that bad. I'm gonna try to insert some pictures when I started noticing the hair loss around 5-6 months. But that is what happens. It's because of your hormones, and if you didn't know, your hormones have a significant impact on your hair growth cycle. So even though your hormones are the major factor in why you may experience postpartum hair loss, it's still really important to take care of your scalp, because as I preached before on this channel, scalp care is super important for hair growth in general. So here is what I've been using that's been helping me, and it's nothing new. If you've been here for a while, you know that I've shared this product multiple times on my channel, and I love it. It's been great for me. I used it pre-pregnancy, during pregnancy, and now that I'm postpartum. This is the Aroma Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo, and I do want to thank them for partnering with me on today's video, and also just being a constant part of my curly hair routine over the past few years. And like I mentioned, I was filming in slow motion before this, so I already do have some product in my hair. I'm gonna apply a little bit more just to show you how easy it is. I really love the applicator on this. It really gets like into your scalp, and also the uniquely shaped bottle. It has these little ridges here that show you just about how much you should be using every time you apply it. Let's just get into it. Like I mentioned, I started noticing my hair loss around 5-6 months postpartum, and I know my case really wasn't severe at all, but it is a little bit alarming to notice that your hairline is thinning on top of everything else that you have to deal with as a new mom. Like, I think it's so crazy that we have so much to take care of, so much to worry about, and on top of that, we have to lose our hair as well. That is so unfair. So I was using this product just for general hair growth and scalp maintenance before I was experiencing hair loss. To be honest, I wasn't using it as regularly as I should have been. I really only used it when I felt like I needed that deep clean, or when it was like a month since I washed my hair, because in early postpartum era, I was going weeks, if not months, without washing my hair. So that's when this would come in handy, and I'd be like, okay, I need like a deep clean. I need to cleanse my scalp, and that's when I would use this. So as I was trying to figure out how to deal with my postpartum hair loss, I was looking all over the internet, trying to find different products. And mind you, there are so many products marketed towards new moms and postpartum hair loss. It costs a pretty penny, and you just never know. I feel like you're kind of just taking a risk, but I was a little bit overwhelmed in trying to choose something. So I was like, let me just try something that I already have, because I know that I love this, but let's use it more regularly. Let's use it more intentionally and see if we can see a difference. And I have definitely seen a difference once I started really focusing on the areas that I wanted my hair to grow back. And even though I am focusing on the hairline area, I still make sure to apply it all over my scalp, and I'm massaging it into my scalp with my fingertips, not my fingernails, just trying to be gentle but also helping stimulate my scalp a little bit more. This has a really cooling sensation. You can really feel it like tingling and like working in your scalp. But I'm going to leave this on my hair for a few minutes before I get in the shower. This is a pre-shampoo, so use it before you get in the shower. So for today's wash day, I will be using the Aroma's 3-step solution for thinning hair, which includes the scalp purifying liquid shampoo that I just used, and this helps soften and remove unnecessary scalp buildup and regulates the health of the scalp ecosystem for healthy hair growth. And then in the shower, I will be using the anti-hair loss essential shampoo, and this helps strengthen your hair roots, adds volume to the hair, maintains hair vitality, and makes it stronger and healthier. I also have here the Herbal Cooling Scalp Spray, which helps maintain oil balance throughout the day. It's something you can use daily to keep your scalp refreshed. Also, look at this cute little mini version of the Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. It's literally less than 3 ounces, so it's perfect for traveling. I like to take it with me wherever I go to make sure that I'm never skipping out on my scalp care routine. Okay, I just got out the shower and my hair and scalp are feeling so good, like so nice and clean. I feel like I hit a reset button and I just got rid of all the gunk, all the oils, all the buildup, and it feels good. I can tell it's gonna be a good wash day. So before I go in with my normal curly products, I'm gonna use the Aromas Scalp Care Spray and just spray this all over. Trying to part my hair to make sure I actually get it on my roots. And then I'm just gonna run my brush through. First, I'm going to apply my lightweight leave-in spray. Next, I'm using my curl cream and I'm going to apply it in sections. I've also been using this comb to help define my curls, and I've been loving the way that it makes my hair look. And right after that, I'm going in with my gel. I love this gel. This gel gives me a pretty good cast and it makes my curls last long. And now I'm just gonna repeat that over and over again. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but I have a bunch of grays right here. And I actually bought hair dye to dye my hair. I'm just debating if I really want to do that or should I just embrace the grays. I don't know. They don't bother me until I put my hair up like in a ponytail or something. Then it's like a whole streak. And I don't like the way that looks, but also I don't know, it's natural and I don't know if I just want to put dye in my hair again or just let it be. And the dye color that I got is just like an espresso brown, so it's just really dark brown. It should match my natural hair color. I just don't know what to do. Let me know if you think I should dye it or leave it alone. All my products are now applied. I'm gonna let it air dry for like about an hour just so like a cast can form, and then I'll be back to diffuse. So now that there's a little bit of a cast that's formed on my curls, I'm gonna go ahead and start diffusing. I always like to start by hover diffusing, and then I'll go in and start scrunching my curls inside the diffuser once it's a little more dry. So my hair is pretty much completely dry. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this oil to fluff my hair and separate the curls. Okay, now this is such a great wash day. My hair feels so like nice and airy. I don't even know how to explain it, but I just feel like nothing is holding it down. It feels clean. It looks voluminous. It looks shiny and healthy. I love it, but I wanted to show you guys more of this hairline situation. Now that my hair is dry, you can see just kind of how short the hairs actually are. So thankfully we are in the regrowth era, but they are a little wild sometimes. So whenever I do like a slick down hairstyle, I definitely have to use a lot of gel these days. But overall, I'm feeling good. I'm very happy with the progress that my hairline has made, and my hair in general. My hair has gotten pretty long over the past few months. I'm also well overdue for a trim, but it still doesn't even look that bad. I still think it looks pretty healthy. But anyway, if you guys are interested in any of the Aromas products, I will have them linked in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out before you go. They are truly amazing scalp care products, whether you're dealing with postpartum hair loss or if you're just trying to improve your scalp care or grow your hair in general. I highly and genuinely recommend them. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.